Yoga takes you close to your true nature. Yoga, with its techniques, helps you to harmonise with nature. Peace is our very nature, and yoga leads you to inner peace. Yoga is not just doing some exercise, it is much more. It is to expand your awareness, sharpen your intellect, and enhance your intuitive ability. Happiness is your nature. It's not wrong to desire it. What is wrong is seeking it outside when it's inside. Balance is the key to everything. What we do, think, say, eat, feel, they all require awareness. And through awareness, we can grow. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Yoga makes you harmonise with nature and teaches you to be joyfully curious about your inner world. Yoga is about discovering the sense of oneness with yourself, the world, and nature. In every moment in nature, you receive far more than it seems. Travel light, live light, spread the light, be the light.